everyone. So today I wanted to make a little bit of a video. I have ordered a couple of things online and I thought I would do a first impression. First impression video slash an unboxing. So this right here, I'm gonna have to block out my name. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. The package it came in. This is from Glam and Glits, so I'm just gonna open up the package and I'll show you guys what's inside. Okay, so when you first open up the package, you'll see a lot of nuts, like packing nuts in there. Whatever that is. What is this? So this is what came inside it. I paid $51.81 US. Yeah, so it's more than that, obviously, because I live in Canada. If I remember the conversion rate, how much I actually paid, I'll let you guys know. So I ordered 2 acrylics. The first one is milky white. It's a pretty big size, actually, for the price you pay. The second color is Touch of Pink. Yeah, these are pretty big. So I'm gonna open it up. Is there a cap? No. Oh, that's a pretty color. I don't know if you guys can see. I think I'm gonna actually swatch these so I can see what they look like. And then this is just white, I'm assuming, when you open it. It's hard to open at first. Yeah, it's just white. Okay, so that is the first package. I'm just gonna move this out of the way and get the next one. Okay, so the next package I got was this. I crossed out there. I got 2 of these, actually. These are nail tips. What's in here? So the first thing that comes in there is this. So this came from Glitter Planet, and they are nail tips. This is cute, actually. Might keep that. It comes in a bag. I guess this is my bill. Let me open it. And oh no, it doesn't tell you the price I paid. It says my order number. So these are the tips that I got. These ones are coffin. These are a lot shorter than I thought they would be, actually. They're cute, though. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe if I put it on the back of my hand, yeah, that's better. These are nice. Let me see. Oh, I like these. They're not as long as I thought they were gonna be, but I don't really wear my nails that long anyways. More or less what other people want. Okay, and I got one more package from them. Also nail tips. Let me open it. Comes with the same bag in there. These ones are stiletto. Hopefully they're really long. Oh, they're not that long either. Ooh. I really like these. This is what it looks like. I actually need to put these on my nails today. I might make a video of me putting these on my nails. These are nice. I really, really like these. So I'm going to find out the price that I paid for these. I'm just going to go back on the website and I'll link the amount that I paid for these 2 packs down below. So this pack comes with 500 assorted. And then this is also 500. So pretty good, pretty good. Okay guys, so right here on my practicing hand, I'm actually gonna test out these two. My practicing hand is pretty ugly, I know, whatever. I just clipped the nails into here. So, it's not clipped onto a table or anything, I'm kind of just holding on to it. So here I have the Glam and Glits Snow White and the Glam and Glits Pretty in Pink. This acrylic is so smooth. Like, I am in love with it. I think I'm gonna order way more. So I ordered just 2 just to start off with because, you know, why order a whole bunch if you don't know if you're gonna like it. So this is the white. Let me see. I'm gonna get another nail and do the pink. So I've put another nail on it and I'm gonna test out the pink one. So it did take me a few tries to figure out the monomer to acrylic ratio, but I think I've got it. Just because the acrylic I use now, you have to use so much monomer. Okay guys, so these are the 2 colors. The white is here. That's the Snow White. No, my bad, it's Milky White. And then this right here is Touch of Pink. So that's Milky White and Touch of Pink. And here are the nails. It's such, oh my god, it's so smooth. I haven't even filed it yet. I recommend these. I really, 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 really recommend these. I'm telling you guys, it'll change your life. If you're coming from a very, very fast drying acrylic and you're going to this, you're going to be like, I can't ever go back. So, yeah. That was my kind of first impression of Glam and Glits and Glitter Planet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to, and of course go check out these 2 websites if you want some nail tips or you would just like some acrylic, because they are bomb. Like, they're so good. I really recommend them. I'll leave the links down below for the acrylic and the nail tips. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.